Hello guys. This is Avery's BA. I will teach you how to set your minimum and maximum price on Channel Max. First, you have to log into your Channel Max account, then go to repricing, and then put check on the missing minimum price and click go. And then go to action, download inventory. Make sure that all the needed columns is selected, SQ, marketplace, AC, maximum, minimum selling price, then download the file. Upon downloading the file, copy the data and then open a spreadsheet. Paste the data and then, oh wait, you will notice here that you already have a maximum selling price. Please note that Channel Max automatically set maximum your listing price as your maximum price. So that's why there's already a price here. Also, we set our maximum price and we set it and we'll just add $20 based on the listing price plus 20. And then you have to prepare or create a spreadsheet having this following header column: SQAC, max selling price, min selling price, selling venue. Then we will copy the SKU, paste it here, the ASINs, the maximum selling price, of course, the added with $20. And then we usually, oh wait, hang on. We usually set our minimum price as $8.5. So this will be all $8.5. And then the selling venue is here. You can see the selling venue here. So it is Amazon US3. Okay, once done creating the file, you will save it as text tab limited. Then once done, we will upload it on Channel Max. Just go to the inventory tab and then look for file uploader. And then analyze new file, look for the file we just created, desktop, and then upload it here. Upload file Channel Max. Then we will wait it until it's done. After that, we will check now on the pricing if all have their minimum and maximum price. Oh, as you will notice, at the Amazon US3, the missing minimum price is checked and there's no SQ showing without minimum price. Therefore, all SQs is assigned of minimum maximum price. To check, I will show you that they have already a minimum and maximum price. As you can see, they already have a minimum and maximum price. That's all. Thank you.